Hi all, time for an update. It's 4:15 in the afternoon. I think it's Friday. The pain is about the same, but I've decided just to deal with my response to the pain instead of spend my time chasing what might be more pain-free options. So I got up and moved. I think yesterday for the first time. Maybe it was the day before. Yeah, I think the day before I moved a little bit in the room to the edge of the room. Yesterday I walked down the long hallway, walked down the short hallway, practiced at both ends like squats and calf raises. Today I did the same, but I also practiced some Tai Chi at the end of the long hallway. There's enough space to, do a little bit. Then I took a wheelchair ride to a healing rooftop garden. I heard that they have atop Smilo, because apparently I'm not in Smilo and in Yale New Haven Hospital, which is somehow under the same umbrella and physically connected buildings. But anyway, I took a wheelchair ride, went outside. It's pretty cold, brisk. That means I put pants on first and a jacket on and a hat. Didn't feel chilly to me, maybe because my hat said Upper Peninsula, so whatever I was feeling doesn't rate, but it was windy. But I got to walk around, practice a little Bagwajang, circle walking, practiced a bit, and headed back to the room. Sat in my chair. I overnighted in the chair. Nobody ended up coming to help me to get into the bed, so who knows what will happen tonight. Not today, but yesterday, and including the evening of the day before yesterday, I'm pretty sure I'm right in those times, I had episodes of vomiting. They didn't seem to follow a drug intake or eating. Just vomited. It was black and smelled like it didn't come out this end. And then I talked to the surgeon, who was really worried about that. I don't know if really worried is fair, but his chief concern was expressed as, well, the reason you're vomiting is you do have some fluids and gases in you, and they can't find the normal way out. So they're going to come out another way. So he said he didn't want me to belch and burp and cough, hiccup, because those will move the gases out this way, which is kind of contravened by the other doctor's advice. So I'm not going to worry too much if I cough, but I'm going to try not to. And on that front, I haven't really coughed much today, really, in a couple days since I started the Valium, which I guess I'm taking not so much for anticonvulsant, or maybe I'm taking it more as an anticonvulsant rather than a pain remedy in terms of muscular pain. But either way, the pain that I get in the belly when I cough or laugh or something is the severe pain. So not doing that is good. We watched a little National Geographic last night, just sort of nature, so I don't feel like anybody's gonna make me laugh or emotionally or scared. Speaking of emotional, when I talked to the doctor about the vomiting, she said, well, what's now on the table is the NG tube. Anyway, I got really emotional thinking about that, and I tried to very firmly express my desire not to have an NG tube. And I repeated myself when I saw the colorectal surgeon, Dr. Prantell. Um, that was just the worst thing. But I hope I also made clear that if we decide it is what happens to be done, I'll do it. And I also learned that there's 3 sizes, so hopefully I'm a candidate for a smaller size. I don't know that I had the large size before, but whatever. And also have an ENT that will do it. So I'm going to ask for that, demand that, if it comes to that, but I don't know how much control I'll have or how exigent the circumstances may be. I was about to take a nap. They did say in terms of passing gas and passing BM, which I haven't done either, they said, yeah, they would like to see it yesterday. If not today or tomorrow, then it starts to become more concerning. And then maybe that's an NG tube thing, I don't know. So my surgeon, Dr. Pantel, who I think it was he who had switched my diet to 0, nothing, not a sip of water, nothing, to reduce the vomiting. This morning said I could have some clear fluids, which I have had a little bit. And I haven't vomited, but that means it reawakened the vomit concern I have. I feel like if I do it one more time, they're going to come in to argue about the NG tube. So luckily, Mike brought me a little Italian ice and a little Gatorade. I'll need one of the other problems is my electrolytes were off because I was only having clear liquid, a lot of water, and then off anything for another day. And apparently, in terms of Lexite, in terms of electrolytes, then they have to IV administer infusions, and one of them I think was the potassium. It was really painful going in, and it was really painful for the whole 2-hour infusion. So they came with it for me today, and asked if we could hold it off because I had just gotten the Gatorade, and maybe it'll do its work, and you guys will be happy enough with my labs. Apparently I'm not in a dangerous range, but I'm either at the low end of normal or just out of normal, at the high end of abnormal, but they'd also like me to see me higher than normal after surgery. I'll let you all figure that out. So I'm trying to do my part. Here's my little clear Gatorade and ice. It tends to make me cough a little, but I'm trying to just really moderate that intake. Just have the little spit. So I don't know yet when I might go home. I am having a little gas feeling in the lower abs area, consistent with my lifelong feeling of how I might fart soon or need to go to the bathroom soon. So it could happen soon, and these could be false alarms. I don't know. Started writing some curriculum today, but the last person that was going to hand me my iPad did not do that, so the moment I don't have it, I wrote some notes in the iPhone that I'm holding. I guess I'll have nurse changing over in a couple hours. If I'm still stuck here, it certainly would be nice to have some visitors. The surgeon said, since my colon's asleep after the surgery in terms of peristalsis, I just need a tincture of time. So I'm doing that. Also trying to walk. They said chewing gum might help, and the electrolytes, and no vomiting. So that's my plan. I don't know if I can really affect it, but I'm trying to affect the parts that I think I might. and using the inspirometer. So I keep posting. I love you.